Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Attending an Indonesian dance performance. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is how to use the conjunction because
Karena hal itu, pertunjukan seni kadang digelar di tempat lain yang memiliki kapasitas ruangan lebih besar.
Because of that, the performance is sometimes held in another place that has a larger theater room. The conjunction because is mainly used to connect clauses. The conjunction is usually placed prior to the subordinate clause and states the cause of the condition or event in the main clause. The simple conjunction to state reason in Indonesian is
Karena.
In English, not only can this be translated as because, but it can also be translated as due to, because of, or caused by. The basic formula for using the conjunction
Karena
is as follows. Main clause plus
Karena
plus reason slash subordinate clause. Main clause plus because of slash due to plus reason slash subordinate clause. For example,
Dia terlambat datang karena jalanan sangat macet.
he is arriving late because of bad traffic.
Karena akan ada topan badai, murid-murid tidak masuk sekolah hari ini.
Because there will be a hurricane, students will not attend school today.
Merokok dapat merugikan kesehatan karena menyebabkan kanker.
Smoking is harmful for health because it can cause cancer. In Indonesian,
Karena
is included as a conjunction indicating causation. The term
Karena
can also be replaced by
sebab.
which has the same function. For example,
Kita sangat bersyukur sebab dia mau menolong.
we are really grateful because he is willing to help.
Proyek ini berhasil sebab semua orang telah bekerja keras.
This project has succeeded because everyone has worked hard. In the dialogue, the theater where Lisa and Hannah watched
Ramayana
was not large enough, and the number of participants was also limited. In Indonesian,
Karena
stated as follows.
Karena tidak cukup besar, pertunjukan kadang digelar di tempat lain yang memiliki kapasitas ruangan lebih besar.
Because the room is not large enough, the performance was held in another place that has a larger theater room, or
Sebab kapasitas yang terbatas, pertunjukan kadang digelar di tempat lain yang memiliki kapasitas ruangan lebih besar.
due to limited room capacity, the performance was sometimes held in another place that has a larger theater room. Cultural insight. A traditional Javanese dance. The Javanese traditional dance is an art performance that is influenced by Javanese culture. The performance can be distinguished by the appearance of gamelan orchestras and musical instruments. Unlike other traditional dances, Javanese dance usually requires slow and gentle movements. The motions of the dancers tend to be more self-reflective and have a somewhat meditative quality. The dance itself is not only a sophisticated art of the Javanese palace, but also a message of moral education for the audience. There are two types of Javanese dance traditions. One is the palace dance, tari karaton, and the other is the commoner dance, tari kawalo. While the first applies a set of rules about the movements and gestures that requires discipline to practice, the latter lacks of Javanese courtly discipline and is relatively more adaptive to foreign influence.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Jawa.
Java.
Nonton.
To watch.
Tradisional.
Traditional.
Luar biasa.
Amazing.
Terbatas.
Limited, exclusive.
Pertunjukan.
Performance.
Kostum.
Kachum.
Semua.
All.
Menonton.
Watch.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Banyak orang asing yang tertarik untuk mempelajari tarian Jawa.
There are many foreigners interested in learning Javanese dance.
Saya mau nonton film.
I want to watch a movie.
Di Yogyakarta, ada banyak penjual kain batik tradisional.
In Yogyakarta, there are a lot of traditional batik clothes merchants.
Anak kecil itu memiliki bakat yang luar biasa.
The kid has amazing talent.
Tas kulit ini hanya diproduksi dalam jumlah yang terbatas.
This leather bag is only produced in limited quantities.
Kita akan menonton pertunjukan Ramayana di Gedung Kesenian Jakarta.
We are going to watch a Ramayana performance at Gedung Kesenian Jakarta.
Para aktor telah memakai kostum mereka.
The actors have worn their costumes.
Di sore hari, semua makanan di kantin telah habis.
In the afternoon, the foods in the cafeteria had run out.
Ibu suka menonton siaran tarian Jawa di televisi.
Mom loves to watch Javanese dance show on television.
Keluarga sedang menonton televisi.
The family is watching television.
Keluarga itu menonton televisi.
The family watches television. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Tradisional.
Traditional is an adjective that refers to something classical. It can be in forms of music, dance, and cultural things. An example is,
Hari ini mereka mementaskan tari tradisional.
today, they are performing a traditional dance.
Terbatas. Terbatas.
Can be translated as limited or restricted. Some examples of this word include
Perseroan terbatas.
limited company,
Persediaan terbatas.
limited stock,
Penawaran terbatas.
limited offer. For example,
Karena jumlahnya yang terbatas, harga emas sangat mahal.
because of its limited quantity, the price of gold is very expensive.
Semua. Semua.
Can be translated as all or every, as in
Semua hal.
everything,
Semua orang.
everyone. For example,
Dalam rapat kabinet, Presiden memanggil semua menterinya untuk hadir di Istana Presiden.
in the cabinet meeting, the President summoned all his ministers to be present at the presidential palace. Conversation.
Aku sudah lama ingin menonton pertunjukan tari tradisional Jawa.
I have been dreaming of watching a traditional Javanese dance performance.
Aku juga mengagumi tari tradisional Jawa.
I also admire traditional Javanese dance.
Tempat ini luar biasa. Sayang ruang teaternya kecil jadi kehadiran penonton di sini sangat terbatas.
This place is amazing. Too bad the theater room is so small that the number of participants is very limited.
Karena tidak cukup besar, pertunjukan kadang digelar di tempat lain yang memiliki kapasitas ruangan lebih besar.
Because the room is not large enough, the performance is sometimes held in another place that has a bigger theater room.
Hana, lihat. Para aktor dan penari telah memasuki panggung.
Hannah, look. The actors and dancers are entering the stage.
Hari ini mereka akan mementaskan Ramayana, dan mereka telah banyak berlatih untuk pertunjukan ini.
Today, they will present Ramayana, and they have practiced a lot for this show.
Mereka semua memakai kostum tradisional, unik sekali.
They are all wearing traditional costumes. It's very unique.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.